From the hunters of the flower, I emerge, fine and yellow, hovering in anticipation. Contained inside me is the life system of the world. Nothing passes without my presence. From the smallest of flowers to the biggest of trees, we move together in an intricate dance. They need me to survive, to grow, to bloom, and I need them to push me into existence. There is no them without me, no me without them. Together, we define the landscape. Together, we bloom. Or together, we perish. But to accomplish my mission, to ensure all of our survival, I cannot do it alone. My co-conspirators are diverse. Bees, butterflies, birds. They all aid me in my mission, moving me from one bloom to another. Together, we form an alliance of survival. Bees are especially remarkable. They collect me, carry me, spread me around. I cling to their tiny legs, awaiting my moment to fulfill my destiny. I travel across landscapes, through forests and fields. Over hills and rivers. My journey is vast and far-reaching. The wind is another partner. It lifts me up and carries me on unseen currents, sometimes across great distances. Rain, too, assists me in my travels, washing me from the petals and leaves, depositing me into the soil below, where I can begin anew. Even the smallest creatures play a part. Ants, barely noticeable in their diligence, carry me within their strong jaws, assisting in my crucial task. Birds play their role too. They pick up fruits, dust it with me, transporting me to new locations where I can continue my battle mission. Animals of all kinds, unknowingly help me in my task. As they feast on the plants I reside on, they transport me, giving me the opportunity to spread further. Even during intimate moments of other species, I find my chances. Insects, caught in their dance of reproduction, spread me in their wake, securing both their future and mine. Every actor in this grand play has a role to perform, a part to contribute to our mutual survival. This is a dance of independence. Every actor in this grand play has a role to perform, a part to contribute to our mutual survival. This is a dance of interdependence, a ballet of co-becoming, where every movement, every breath, every flutter of a wing or sway of a leaf brings a new life into the world. This is the symphony of existence. The one entanglement that will speak most to you is the one we entertain together, human. As you are at the top of the food chain, the entanglements I have with plants and animals benefit you so much. The more I pollinize, the more food diversity you have. We could call me an actor of globalization too. You also benefit me as you carry me on your body and clothes, practice gardening or agriculture, and allow me to fulfill my pollinizer duty.
According to a recent study, the increase in extreme temperatures that we've seen in the last few years, thanks to global warming, is contributing to more potent allergy seasons. Plus, high levels of carbon dioxide cause trees to produce pollen at up to 4 times their natural rate. Summers come earlier and last longer. Thanks to global warming, we have earlier and longer budding seasons and increased pollen production.
From all the CO2 you have been releasing in the air, you have given my creators, the plants, more food to get stronger. Now I thrive for a longer period during the year. You also planted many more male trees than female trees. Thank you, as you have multiplied me around the world.
Doctors say it's the worst allergy season in years for a lot of the country.
The pollen apocalypse has been building for decades.
Common allergen is tree pollen, as it's unfortunately common, obviously, everywhere, as well as ragweed. And then our pets are shedding, so pet dander. And then the environment is getting warmer and drier. So, of course, there's more dust outside. These reasons are leading to that stuffy nose, that itchy eyes, and those annoying dry coughs that people persistently have and seem to never go away.
After all I have done for everyone on this planet, you seem to want to avoid me. You lock me outside and wash me off. You cannot expect me to produce for you, but reduce my movements. I understand that you are trying to negotiate with me and to avoid asthma and allergy, but you don't understand how much you need me. However, we both know that in politics, there is no solution that suits everyone.